Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this error which you have on Windows 10. As you can see, you have dual boot here. One of these Windows installation is invalid, so it's just the boot record, but it doesn't contain a Windows installation. So let's just fix this error. It will be a very quick fix. Choose your normal Windows. Okay, so once you are here, input your password. I will just put my password now. Let's see if I can focus this. Okay, I'm recording with my phone. Okay, so as you can see, the computer has just boot in normal Windows. Now what you want to do is just go here and just type, it's very easy, just type ms config system configuration. Okay, just make sure you open system configuration. Okay, and now you just go here to boot. I'm trying to focus it again. As you can see here, you have two Windows installation. This one, it's invalid. This is not a Windows installation. It contains error from the previous Windows installation. And this one, as you can see here, it's your current OS and default OS. So what you want to do now is just press on this one. Okay. And now just press on delete. As you can see, it has been deleted. Now click apply. Click OK. Restart your computer, and it should just restart normally without that dual boot option. Let's just wait for the computer to restart. So as you can see, there's no error. Now you can just input your password and you can continue. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, comment, and like this video. Bye bye.